Nursery care against diseases and insect pests and also for draining out excess rainwater from nursery beds. The number of beds depends on the particular crop, season and growing area of crop. The beds should be prepared in the east and west direction and lines should be made from north to south direction on the bed. Now let's have a look at advantages of nursery bed. Water movement will be uniform and drainage of excess water is possible. Germination percentage of seeds is normally high in case of raised nursery beds. Operations like weeding and plant protection can be measured easily. Now let's study in detail the preparation of raised nursery bed for chili cultivation. To prepare the nursery bed, first clean the surface area of the ground before plowing. Remove clods of earth and stubble. Then plow the field 2 times with desi plow before seed bed preparation. Prepare 4 raised beds with bed size of 3, 18, 1 feet for seed sowing. Then broadcast 15 grams seed per bed. Add Furidine 3G on top of the bed to protect the seed from ants and termites. After adding farmyard manure or vermicompost, level the top layer of the seed bed manually. Then drench the bed with Bavistine, which is a fungicide, at the rate of 15 to 20 grams in 10 liter of water per bed to protect the topsoil of the bed from any fungal infection. Now leave the bed for 30 minutes for drying before seed sowing. Before seed sowing, make a line over the seed bed by using middle finger or wooden stick at 4 cm apart with a depth of 1 cm. Then start sowing at 2 cm apart from seed to seed for proper development of each seedling. After seed sowing, cover the top layer of the seed bed by broadcasting fine soil or vermicompost at the rate of 4 kg per bed so that during watering seed will not come out from the lines.